This video introduces how to install or export PLC ladder diagram. It contains three methods: package installation, single file import and export, and SB and MB backup and restore. The first method is package installation. Use Syntec IDE to generate an installation package that contains the ladder diagram. Then use the general software installation steps to install. Here is the pop-up window of the software installation. The path for software installation on the general machine controller, such as 21 series controllers. Press F10. Next page to F4, System Admin to F1, Install Software. For the automation controller, such as HMC controllers, press F5, Electronic Module to F4, System Admin to F1, Install Software. The second method is single file import and export. The figure is the export screen. You can select the ladder diagram separately to export. Note that the PLC customized alarm string file will also be exported. Here the figure is the import screen. Can simultaneously select the ladder diagram file and customized PLC alarm file to import. The path for import and export on the general machine controller is F10. Next page to F4, System Admin to F4, System Data Manager to F1, Import or F2, Export. For the automation controller is F5, Electronic Module to F4, System Admin to F4, Export and Import. System to F1, System Settings Manager to F1, Import or F2, Export. The third method is export or import the ladder diagram with backup and restore function. When SB or MB restore is performed, the ladder diagram file in the controller is replaced by the ladder diagram in the backup file. The path for backup and restore on the general machine controller is F10. Next page to F4, System Admin to F2, Back System or F3, Restore System. For the automation controller is F5, Electronic Module to F4, System Admin to F2, Backup System or F3, Restore System.